Is walking 3 miles a day enough for significant weight loss?
Hello, everyone. Today, we are here to talk about a very common question. Is walking 3 miles a day enough for significant weight loss? There's often a lot of debate around what's the right amount of exercise for weight loss, and walking, as a low-impact and accessible exercise, is a popular choice. Let's dive in.
Understanding the role of walking in weight loss.
The first thing to know is that weight loss is primarily about creating a calorie deficit. That means burning more calories than you consume. Walking, like all physical activities, helps you burn calories. A 3-mile walk for an average adult can burn anywhere from 150 to 300 calories, depending on various factors such as your weight, walking pace, and terrain. So, it can definitely help you to contribute to a calorie deficit if you're also mindful of your diet. However, it's essential to know that weight loss is not just about exercise alone. It's a combination of physical activity, diet, and lifestyle changes.
So, is walking 3 miles a day enough?
Here's the key question. Is walking 3 miles a day enough for significant weight loss? The answer is, it depends. If you're consuming a high-calorie diet, walking 3 miles a day might not create a large enough calorie deficit for significant weight loss. If, on the other hand, you pair regular walking with a balanced, calorie-controlled diet, it can definitely aid in weight loss. It's also important to note that enough varies from person to person. What might be enough for one person might not be enough for another due to differences in factors like age, metabolism, and starting weight. Everyone's weight loss journey is unique.
Making the most of your walks.
To get the most out of your walking routine, consider these tips. Increase your pace. Walking faster can burn more calories. Add some incline. Walking uphill or adding incline on a treadmill can increase the intensity and help you burn more calories. Stay consistent. Consistency is key in any exercise routine. Make sure you're sticking to your 3-mile walk regularly. Pair with a balanced diet. Remember, exercise is just one part of the equation. It's equally crucial to maintain a balanced, nutrient-rich diet that's not too high in calories. So, there you have it. Walking 3 miles a day can definitely help with weight loss, but remember that it's just one piece of the puzzle. Pairing regular exercise with a balanced diet and a healthy lifestyle is the most effective way to lose weight and, more importantly, to keep it off in the long term. Your health journey is a marathon, not a sprint. We hope this has been helpful and wish you all the best on your health and fitness journey.